Welcome to OET Answers.
Your preparation time is over. Now, you can start your speaking role play. Don't worry if I stop you when the time is up.
Good morning, Patricia. I'm Naso Andrew, one of the community nurses from the health center. Am I speaking with Patricia?
Good morning, Naso. Yes, I am Patricia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Patricia. I'm here today to check on you after your head injury and see how you're doing.
Thank you for coming to check on me.
My pleasure. It's important to me that you're well taken care of. So, Patricia, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling okay, I guess, but I'm still a bit dizzy and confused.
I'm sorry to hear that, Patricia. Dizziness and confusion can be really unsettling, especially after a head injury. It would help me assist you better if you could tell me more about the difficulties you're experiencing.
Yes, sure. It started after I woke up following the accident. I was in the hospital then. The nurse told me that it will be all right soon and I will gradually get back to normal.
Yes, that's usually the case. It sounds like you're still in the early stages of recovery. Patricia, have you ever experienced anything like this before?
Not really. This is the first time I'm going through something like this.
All right, thank you for sharing that. It's understandable to feel anxious when something like this happens for the first time. But don't worry, as the hospital staff mentioned, what you're feeling is normal in this situation. It should get better with time.
I hope so. It's frustrating to forget things and feel so out of it.
I can imagine how frustrating that must be. It's tough when your mind and body aren't working the way you're used to. Is there anything you're particularly worried about?
Well, yes, I'm worried about my job. I work as an accountant and I need to remember numbers and details.
I see. How long have you been working as an accountant?
About 20 years.
That's a long time, Patricia. It shows you're very experienced and skilled in your work. Have you ever had memory problems before this accident?
No, never.
Okay, that's good to know. It means your memory loss is likely temporary and due to the trauma from the accident. Think of it as a normal injury. Just like when you hurt your arm or leg, it takes time to heal. The same applies to your brain. With proper care and rest, you should get back to normal.
Really? That's a relief. I was worried it might be permanent.
Yes, it is a relief. However, it might take some time for your memory to fully recover. You may need to take some time off work and give your brain the rest it needs to heal properly.
How long do you think it will take?
Patricia, that's a reasonable question, but it's hard to say exactly. Recovery time varies from person to person. It depends on how severe your injury was and how well your body heals. Generally, it could take a few weeks to a few months. The important thing is to give yourself time and not rush the process.
That long? Oh no, I wasn't expecting it to take so long.
Unfortunately, yes, sometimes it can take that long. I know it's tough, but don't worry, we'll help you through it every step of the way. You won't have to go through this alone.
Thank you for your support. How will you help me?
Patricia, let me explain in detail so you know exactly what to expect and how we'll support you.
All right, please go ahead.
First, we'll closely monitor your progress to ensure there are no complications or signs of infection. Regular check-ins will help us catch any issues early. We'll also provide you with tips and strategies to improve your memory and manage any difficulties you're facing.
Tips and strategies? Like what?
Yes, Patricia. For example, we'll teach you to use reminders, calendars, and notes to help you remember important tasks and details. We'll also suggest activities and exercises to keep your brain active and support your cognitive recovery. Simple mental exercises, like puzzles or memory games, can be very beneficial.
That sounds helpful. I think I could use that.
It will be helpful and will guide you every step of the way. By the way, Patricia, it's also important to have someone around to support you at home. Do you have anyone who can help you during this time?
Naso, I live alone. There's no one to take care of me.
I understand, Patricia. It must be difficult managing everything on your own. But don't feel helpless. We'll make sure you get the support you need. We can arrange for some assistance to help you during your recovery.
Thank you for your kind words. What kind of support can you provide?
For example, we can arrange for someone to deliver meals to your home if cooking or shopping becomes difficult. We can also provide home visits to check on your progress and help with any daily activities you might find challenging. If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, we can offer counseling services to support your mental health.
That sounds good. I think I might need some help with meals and maybe someone to talk to.
Absolutely, Patricia. We want to make sure you have everything you need to recover fully and get back to your normal life. We'll set up the services that will be most helpful for you.
Thank you so much, Naso. That makes me feel a lot better.
You're very welcome, Patricia. I'm glad I could help ease some of your worries. I'll make all the necessary arrangements, and if you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
I will. Thank you again.
You're doing great so far. Just keep following our advice, take care of yourself, and remember that it's okay to ask for help. I wish you a smooth and speedy recovery.
Thank you, Naso. That is the end of your speaking role play. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us to do better.